Well guys, while we're camped here, it's always good to support the local people, so I think we're going to go and have a look at the Maffra Shed. It's the, well, as you can see, it's the Gippsland Vehicle Collection and Model World. So well, I think we shall go and have a bit of a look at this. Okay, we're inside the museum. Got a great little desk there. Okay, we're going to have a quick just look around at some of these magnificent vehicles. Yes, this used to be a drying shed for the beet, and it's been multi-purpose over the years. And I believe this is the working display, showing all the working vehicles. There's so many here, it's absolutely incredible. I don't think you can see it in 5 minutes, that's for sure, so you'd have to allow a bit of time here. Oh, even the lettuces are growing. Okay, we found another little caravan park stay. It's a free camp.
Free camp stay, yep.
And it's just across the road from the Maffra Motor Hotel, which is just over there.
Just town's in there.
And town is just that way.
Walking distance, and then we're just
about 2 k's down the road.
No, not even that.
Not
probably
even that.
1 k max. Well, yeah. Yeah, so close by.
So here we have it. This is the self-contained vehicles only, so as long as you've got your own toilet and facilities, this could be a good place for you to come and have a look at. They've got quite a few spots. I don't know how it'll go in peak season. Dump point down the back, picnic tables over there, more positions over there. So this could be a second choice if you're coming to Maffra. So I think again we'll try and head back to our caravan.
Yes, we're back, yeah, we're heading back.
Yeah, we're heading back. We just get sidetracked every 5 minutes.
And it's all to help you guys out there to know what's going on.
And we do love our rail trails, don't we?
Yes.
So and we find some amazing things along those ways. All right, so heading back. So there we go. Self-contained vehicles only. Okay, we've left the brewery now, and we're doing the rail trail.
We're just having a little go on the rail trail.
We'll just have a little look and see what it's all about. So there's all the information. The Maffra CBD Gippsland Plains rail trail. So let's have a bit of a look at where we're going to end up, which is down that way somewhere. So here we go. We'll start the rail trail. Okay, we've been on this track for about 5 k's and really nothing much interesting.
Just the rail trail, yeah.
Just more of the same of this. Goes on forever.
But
we did see some agricultural stuff, which is cool.
There's that. And if you look across the road, there's an equine sports therapy place.
Oh,
So
I guess that's pretty cool.
the horses can have their therapy there. Yep.
I guess we might need some therapy too. Anyway, we're going to head back to the caravan now.
Yep, we'll go
and
back. And have some dinner shortly.
yeah, what's for dinner tonight?
Not 100%. Maybe just some barbecue.
Ooh, some barbecue.
Some barbecue, yeah. A barbecue.
I'm dying to eat a barbecue. Anyway,
Yep, we're having a lovely time here. It's nice. So the rain stopped. Look, you can see over there some beautiful blue sky.
Oh, blue sky, yep. But anyway, we'll head back to the caravan now and I think we'll start dinner and maybe call it an evening.
Yep.
Okay, guys, till tomorrow.
Yes.
Oh, tomorrow we might even put the drone up, so we'll see how we go.
I've got some dronage.
Okay, we'll just drone on, shall we?
Bye.
Bye. Well, yes, we're still travelling on the rail trail, and look what we've come across. Part of the old train line. The Gippsland Plains Rail Trail.
What's left of it? There's a little bit over there too.
Oh, a little bit left.
Only to see
it's pretty hard to see over there. But yeah, some of the old structure, which is always pretty cool.
Yeah.
And again, we wouldn't be able to get here without our trusty bikes. Well, we're still on the rail trail. This one is from Maffra towards Tinamba, but we've found this fantastic spot. So if Robyn leads the way, got all these swampy sections over here, and right across is all this beautiful lush farmland. It looks a bit murky, but it could be quite deep there. This is honestly a fabulous little trail ride if you're so inclined, especially with the e-bikes. Oh, have a look at this old tree here. It's amazing. It's so cool here too. It's sort of a warmish day, a bit humid, but going through underneath these trees, it's quite cool. It's good. Going under a canopy here. And as you can see, we're still pretty close to the highway. And apparently in this section there could be a few bats. And the remnants of, I would say this could be an old road. So, that is our little adventure, and because we didn't see any of the bats, there is a sign here. It's the grey green-headed flying fox. Well, pretty cool. Alright, well I think we shall head back to the caravan for a well-earned rest. What do you reckon, Robyn?
Yep, sounds good.
Yeah, she agrees. Alright, so we'll see you back at the van. Well, hi guys. Welcome to another of our van talks. At this point I'm going to give a little shout out to one of our son's mates who enjoys van talk very much. So a big shout out to you, Jacko. Thanks mate for watching. Had to do that. Okay, Maffra. Fantastic spot, wasn't it?
Yes, lovely.
And we eventually went to the Maffra Shed and saw those.
Had a look in there, yep.
That magnificent display,
Yep.
which was really good.
Yep.
The people down there really are, well, they're all volunteers, fantastic people, and they're only too happy to sort of, you know, explain things and go through the, you know,
well, just the layout and the setup, and as a lot of the vehicles there are owned by private people, and when they change the display every 4 months, 3 times a year, the people have to take their vehicles back because they change and have a different theme. And sometimes it's like, oh, okay, I've just used that spot that I had for something else, like they're doing another vehicle. But anyway, it all works well, and yeah, they do a great job. It's massive.
So I think if you're in Maffra, 2 spots that you could probably stay at for the free camps was the Maffra Shed area at the front. That's a beautifully grassed area, so if you're new to off-grid camping and stuff like that, it'd be a good teaser or tester for you.
Yeah, because it's nice, open, easy to get in and out of.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as you saw, lots of space.
And if you run out of provisions, Maffra is only just a short walk away, so that's not too bad. And also the one
the other
we found
one,
in town,
the little what was it called, Wentworth or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was quite a good.
Yeah, that's just a nice little handy spot, you know, just to pop in there under the trees.
And that's even closer to the town.
Yes.
We do know this was a short video, and in the video I did promise some drone footage. Now, how do I put this? Did a magnificent drone shot. We actually circled the Maffra building, and then we flew across over to the to Mafco. Did a circle of that. Footage looked absolutely awesome. Then the SD card decided to die. And I've lost all that footage, so apologies.
Would have been nice to put up, but you know.
Would have been fantastic. But anyway, look, these things happen when you're sort of out there doing what we do. And we didn't realise the footage had actually gone until we actually got back to Melbourne. So anyway, sorry guys. Anyway, on another note, as a few of you know, I sort of really enjoy the video editing and doing a few little creative things. Now, this little section that I'm about to talk about is for you, the creators. Any video creators or YouTubers out there that want like a 3D logo or something like that, look, talk to me. If you've got a good vector file of your logo and it's nice and crisp and sharp, I can do something with that logo. So I'm just going to put it out there at the moment. I don't want thousands of people contacting me saying I want the logos done. I'll select a few, and if you want, I can create logos like perhaps this one, or perhaps that one. So it's up to you guys. If you would like me to do it, I'm happy to do it. I'm not going to charge for it because we enjoy what we're doing, and I don't particularly want to get burnt out through doing it. But if it's something that you're interested in, or even if you want a little bit of help with your videos or something like that, if I can help in any way, certainly happy to do so. You can actually contact me through Facebook or our Gmail account, which is oztravelog@gmail.com. I'll put that down in the description there, so if you want to contact me, that's the way to do it. Apart from that, I think that's about all we've got for you this week. So again, thank you very much for watching from
Robyn
and Peter, Oz Travelog. Catch you on the road.
Yep. Bye.
Bye for now.